Hard water can shorten appliance life and clog plumbing, so planning water softener and filtration upgrades during new home construction protects systems and saves money. Start by mapping your water usage points and testing incoming water hardness and common contaminants, so you can size systems correctly and choose appropriate technologies. For whole house scale control, an ion exchange water softener remains the most effective option for removing calcium and magnesium. Select a unit rated slightly above your peak gallons per day and position it near the main water line with a dedicated drain and a bypass valve for servicing. For drinking water, install a reverse osmosis under sink system at the kitchen to reduce dissolved solids and provide safe, great-tasting water. Include a pre-filter to protect the membrane and plan for annual membrane checks. Add a whole house activated carbon filter ahead of the softener or at the main line if chlorine or odor are concerns, and size the carbon bed by flow rate and expected chlorine load. Consider a salt-free template-assisted crystallization conditioner only if you want low-maintenance scale control and cannot use sodium-based systems. Understanding it conditions minerals rather than removing them and will not reduce water hardness numbers. Finally, schedule routine maintenance now by placing service access near equipment. Set reminders for resin regeneration intervals and salt refills, and keep an installation log with dates, part numbers, and local supplier contacts. Homeowners often undersize systems by estimating only daily use and not peak flow during simultaneous fixtures, so calculate peak flow by adding likely concurrent fixture flows and pick a system with that capacity. People forget proper drain and electrical planning, which causes costly retrofits, so mark drain location and supply power during framing and include a bypass valve for easy service. Many expect salt-free conditioners to remove hardness and are disappointed, so explain clearly that they change scale formation rather than remove minerals, and pair them with point-of-use removal if true soft water is required. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to share practical project details that match topics like water treatment upgrades. Our discussion community lets homeowners and contractors ask questions, share experiences, and find collaborators for installation and maintenance.